Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome to Class 4 Social Studies. Our today's topic is Transport and Communication. Transport. Students, we need to travel all the time to attend schools, colleges, birthdays, marriages, and other functions, or to see new places. An activity to move from one place to another is called travel. Aeroplanes, trains, taxis, buses, auto rickshaws, motorcycles are called vehicles. The process of carrying people or goods from one place to another is called transport. We do not use the same means of transport to go to every place. The vehicle we use depends on the following: location of the place, distance to be covered, time available, money we can spend. We generally walk or cycle to nearby places. To reach places that are far away, we use a vehicle. Sometimes we use more than one means of transport to reach a place. Modes of transport. There are four main modes of transport. They are air transport, road transport, water transport, and rail transport. First is rail transport. Students, railways in India are the main mode of transport of goods and passengers. Goods trains carry bulky and heavy goods like coal, iron, cement, oil, etc. Passenger trains carry a large number of people at a time. Metro trains are the latest version of railways. Metro trains runs in the big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Lucknow, etc. Next is road transport. A road is a smooth path or way between two or more places. The most common road vehicles are cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, bullock carts, etc. Every country has a network of roads which enable people to reach even its remote areas. Next mode of transport is air transport. Air transport uses aeroplanes and helicopters. Aeroplanes cover long distances and carry many people at a time. Helicopters cover short distances and carry a few people. They are often used to take food and medicines to people in the time of need. Air transport is very fast, but it is very costly. Water transport. Ships, boats, and steamers are the means of water transport. Boats and steamers are used to carry people and goods across the rivers. Ships carry people and bulky goods across the sea to other countries. Our next topic is communication. Students, we live in a society and every time we need to share our thoughts and ideas with our friends and relatives. Communication means sending and receiving messages by speaking, writing, and using other medium such as TV, radio, internet, newspapers, etc. Communication is mainly of two types: verbal communication and written communication. Face to face talks, lectures by your teachers, and TV telecast are example of verbal communication. Letters, newspapers, and books are the example of written communication. Communication can also be classified into two categories. Personal communication means communication between two people. Mass communication means communication between a large number of people. Personal communication. Personal communication means communication between two people. For example, when you are communicating with your mother, with your friend, and with your relative, it is a personal communication. For personal communication, you can use face to face communication, letters, telephones, and emails. Mass communication. Sometimes we want to contact a large number of people at a time. Mass communication is used to send information to lots of people. You can use newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and internet for the mass communication. So, these are the two types of communication, the personal communication and mass communication. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now learn and revise your worksheet number 4. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.